See, this is so funny because I never talk to them. It's just like, I act as if they're you.
This is trash.
When I'm in the car, I'm going to be like, my dad's going to be like, what the fuck were you doing? He's like, how much do you want to bet? He's going to be like, do we need to drug test you? And I'm going to be like, no. I didn't do nothing. I'll say nothing. You'll see my eyes will be all like.
What you're trying to do. Are you taking, is that a video? You're recording her eating?
I forgot about these. You probably smushed in there.
Why do I have to be in this video? Please take me out of this video.
Oh, wait.
I was gonna eat that. But no.
It was not finished.
You weren't finished.
Excuse me. Can I have some more? Your eyes are, you look so pretty right now. Oh, I've never been like this before. Oh, you're looking at me like I'm crazy. But I'm not.
Just like go run and scream outside.
We gotta do that.
Yeah, we do. We gotta run around in circles.
Do you know her?
She's leaking.
Shot out of my It was just pop.
You just squirted all.
And I was like gagging. Stop making me laugh. That was funny. He's like,
I was joking. Okay.
Oh, we gotta hang out more. This is just too much for me to handle. Oh.
Now you've got shit like all over your shirt. Like right on your boob too.
I still had pop in my nose.